Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a very quick and easy minced meat fried rice. I'm going to show you how to make this the Chinese way. It is packed with flavors and it is so tasty. You guys will love it. So here are all the ingredients I'm going to be using for this recipe. You can use any meat of your choice. You can as well use prawn or shrimps. So this is my rice. You should use a day old cooked rice for this recipe, or you can just boil some rice, let it cool down completely before you start using it, which is what I did. You don't need a freshly cooked rice for this recipe. So over a wok or a large saucepan, we are going to add some cooking oil. You can use any vegetable oil of your choice. Just add a little oil in the pan to help fry the meat. So for this recipe I'm using minced beef. You can use any meat of your choice like I said before. And now I'm going to add some aromat, just some seasoning powder. You can use seasoning cubes if that's what you have, just to give the meat a little taste. You don't want the meat to be tasteless when you're eating it. So after stirring the meat for about 5 minutes, we are going to add some long green beans, add some diced carrots, and fry for 1 minute. After frying this for 1 minute, we are going to add some red bell pepper, green bell pepper, half diced onion, some sweet corn, and some garlic powder. You can use fresh garlic if that's what you like, but this is what I have at the moment. So we are going to stir fry this for about 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes of stir frying this, we are going to take it out of the pan. Don't mind my pot. This is just coming from the meat. I guess that's the fat from the meat. I don't know, but yeah. So now we are going to add the rice and fry the rice for 3 minutes. Make sure you fry this for 3 minutes so that if there's any liquid in it, we can get rid of that by stir frying it for 3 minutes, because we don't want to end up with a soggy and mushy rice. So after 3 minutes of stir frying the rice, we are going to add 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Mix that together and add the vegetables and the minced meat we took out earlier. Now we are going to stir fry this for additional 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes of stirring, we are going to finally add some toasted sesame seed oil. This will give it another taste and flavor. That nutty taste and flavor, that's what this will add to the rice. But if you don't have it, no problem, your rice will still come out very nice and tasty and flavorful. So we are done stir frying our rice and we're just going to dish it out and serve. I'd like to sprinkle some sriracha sauce over the rice. this was so tasty and so yummy. I don't know how to explain this until you try it, guys. Do give it a try and let me know what you think about it. Thank you so much for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button. If you're new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button below and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my latest upload.